My name is Hemsa, number 37.
Number 4. So are you going to accept the new role?
Let me think about that. I have been thinking about it for the past few weeks.
What's stopping you?
To answer your question, I have been trying to understand whether I'm truly capable of leading a team. It's a big step.
True. But you have been preparing for this, haven't you?
Yeah, I have been developing my skill and building confidence. My intention is to go professionally, but I just want to be sure I'm ready.
Sound right, I'm more ready than you realize.
Maybe I have talking to some colleagues and they have been encouraging me to go for it.
That's a good sign. They could probably see potential in your that you might not fully see yourself.